Hello everyone. Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you like our YouTube videos, then don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for such more informative videos. So today we are presenting a new video that explains how to set up on 4K Pro Google TV in an easy way. If you are a beginner, then this video is perfect for you. I hope this video will be helpful for you, so watch this video till the end, so that you don't miss out any step. Basically, on 4K Pro Google TV is a smart TV that runs on Google TV, offering 4K Ultra HD resolution for crisp and clear visuals. Let's start the video. Firstly, we will unbox the On 4K Pro Google TV box and give you the cleanest review of what you get in the pack. Inside the On 4K Pro Google TV box, you'll find the TV, a voice remote with Google Assistant, 2 AAA batteries, a power cable, and a quick start guide. Some models may also include wall mount screws or stands for setup flexibility. So let's start the setup. The first step is connect the power cable to the TV and plug it into a wall outlet. If you're using a cable box, game console, or streaming device, connect them to the HDMI ports. Use the remote that came with the TV to turn it on. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the setup process. Then the TV will ask you to select a Wi-Fi network. So choose your home Wi-Fi and enter the password. A strong internet connection is needed for smooth streaming and updates. Remember it. So now you will need to sign in with a Google account. If you don't have one, you can create one during setup. This allows you to download apps, sync settings, and get personalized recommendations. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Your TV may check for updates and install the latest firmware. Let the update complete to ensure you have the best performance and newest features. Adjust display settings like brightness, contrast, and color. Set up audio settings based on your preference, TV speakers, or external sound system. Enable Google Assistant for voice control. Now go to the Google Play Store and download apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney, Prime Video, etc. You can also install games or utility apps as needed. Press the Home button on the remote to browse content. Use the Google Assistant button on the remote to search with your voice. Enjoy streaming your favorite movies, shows, and more. That's it. Your setup is successfully complete. I hope you like this video. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for the more informative updates.